If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Xero, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received the verification email from Xero. This email contains a link that you need to click to verify your account. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you cannot find the original email, go to the Xero login page and select the option to resend the verification email. Enter your email address and follow the prompts to receive a new verification link. Step 3. Click the verification link. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Xero to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If the status remains pending after clicking the link, try clearing your browser cache. This can resolve any potential issues with outdated information being displayed. Step 5. Contact Xero support. If the problem persists, reach out to Xero's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, and they will guide you through the necessary steps to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the verification pending status on Xero quickly. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from Xero's support team.